What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we're back with another wig installation. For today's video, we're installing a unit from Aligrace here, and this is their new packaging. Let me show you guys what I received inside my package today. So they did send us some gifts inside our package. So the unit we're installing is a 6x5 wear and go unit. This one is 24 inches and it has a density of 180%, and the unit comes pretty much fully customized and ready to wear. I didn't do anything to the unit. This is what it's looking like. I honestly just love the texture of this unit. I feel like it's just super soft and silky. This is what the unit is looking like. It's a super fast wear and go unit. It should take like 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and install our unit. If you want to get this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other product from Aligrace here, I will leave your website down in my description as well, so go ahead and check out their description. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along. I have my wig cap on already. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to it just to blend it a little better, and I will be applying foundation to the lace as well just to blend everything together. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm about to apply some foundation, but I just wanted to show you guys how different this cap actually is. Honestly, just love the cap they use for this wig. It's like, it's different and it has the elastic band. It makes the wig feel more secured, especially when you're wearing like a glueless unit. And also they did add the adjustable band, so you can just go ahead and fix that. I love the adjustable band. I really rather like having the comb in the back as well. Gives it like extra security, but I think this will work. You know, it has the adjustable band and it has that elastic band in the back that gives it a super comfy look. Or if you want to do like a ponytail, then it gives it a natural look in the back. But this is the unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to the lace. It did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit of foundation. So this is what the wig is looking like. It's definitely giving us a natural effect and it's 100% glueless. This is what it's looking like. Super easy and very simple. Like, I just love like straight unit. When I'm wearing like glueless unit, it's gotta be like a short, kinky, curly, or a nice straight wig. But this is it. Super pretty. I just love how it looks already. Like, it's definitely giving us a blend, definitely giving us a really natural hairline, and I love how it's looking. This is it straight out the box. It's a simple 5-minute wear and go unit, and let's go ahead and style this so you guys can see like the finished product. I'm going in with my wax stick. I'm not gonna use too much, just a little bit to keep like the flyaways down. Yo, that got flat so fast. Like, look at that. I already like love this unit. There's not a lot of work that you need to do to install this unit. It's pretty simple. Like, it's just a very simple install that it's given, you know, like it's given us a really nice look. That I always have, I can never find like the center of my head. So let's see if we can find it for this unit, because we want everything to be perfect, because this unit is giving us a really pretty look and I'm in love with this unit. So I'm going in with my Fantasia hair polish, but I'm just going to spray it in my hand and then just moisturize the unit with it. I feel like it can be like a little bit too much if you spray it on the hair, so I'm just going to spray it on my hands. So I'm just gonna go in with my concealer to make the part a little bit more lighter. So this is the final look. What it looks like this is the final look, and I love how this turned out. It is 100% glueless. This is it straight out the box. 5-minute grab and go unit, and I love how this turned out. This unit is from Aligrace here, and I promise you this is like top tier. I would give this unit a 10 out of 10. Like, it is super gorgeous, and I just love how silky this unit is, and everything about this unit is just high quality. I will be leaving the link and the details to this unit down below, so go ahead and check them out. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.